Can you turn just $10 into $100 without any skill? Sound impossible. Stay with me for 2 minutes and I will show you a real trick anyone can use. No Shopify, no clients, no fake ads. Just real earning from real companies. All you need is a little smart work, and yes, you can do this from anywhere in the world. Step 1. Buy a digital product. Go to Etsy.com and search for digital product like planner, wallpaper, printable quotes, budget sheet. Pick a product priced around $5 to $10, but very important, it must have a commercial license so you can legally sell your own version. Step 2. Improve it in 10 minutes. Open canva.com. It's totally free. Change the color, fonts, layout and add more pages. Then create multiple versions. Kid version, girl version, student version. One product become 5 products. Step 3. Upload and earn. Now, upload your upgraded product on Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip. Set price $6 to $12. Just 10 sales is equal to $60 to $120. And this can happen every day, even while you sleep. Bonus growth hack. Make short TikTok or Pinterest videos showing a small preview of your planner. Use hashtag passive income, side hustle, Etsy digital. You will start getting organic traffic to your store. CTA, call to action. If you want a ready digital product and a full step-by-step guide, comment digital flip guide, and in this next video I will show you how to turn $10 into 200 easily. Make sure to subscribe. Quick Cash is here to help you earn fast.